Hi, my name is Allie Brenneman, and I will be singing The View from Here. Boston at sunset, fog rushing in from the harbor, weather that frames my world from park to pier. The view from here, students and streetcars meet girls at the shore or the shipyard, and as they embrace, the looks on their face extend near to ear. Oh, what a view from here! But the fog's covering the ground. Those girls of Boston get lost, and there's none can be found. The haze so deep, I could leave, and who knows where I'd fall. Onto the street, onto my feet, into somebody's arms. Ursula Morgan, here at the sill, now as evermore. Turning 16 is sweet, so I've seen. Well, maybe next year the view will clear, and someone will hold me and give me a kiss like the kind I see